Giga Berlin is receiving approval to open soon. In this video, I'll share 3 reasons why this matters to Tesla investors. I'm filming today's episode at the German Center at International Business Park in Singapore's West. Fun fact, I used to work with a few German customers in the building behind me. Welcome back to Investing with Daren. Click subscribe to stay updated to more videos on Tesla. The first reason is fulfilling demand. Tesla sold 168,000 cars in Europe in 2021, which is an increase of 71% from the year before. With Giga Berlin online, Tesla is likely to at least match a 70% growth rate in Europe, which means 285,000 Teslas delivered in the region in 2022. I believe the majority of Teslas sold in Europe in the first half of 2022 will still come from Giga Shanghai, as Giga Berlin takes time to ramp up. And as Giga Berlin ramps up, this gives Giga Shanghai the opportunity to shift exports to the rest of Asia Pacific. That means Model Y in Singapore. This expansion in capacity helps Tesla to fulfill its goals of 50% year-on-year growth, which is important for growth investors. There's no other car company in the world at Tesla's size that is growing at a similar rate. In fact, many other car companies have flat growth or declines. The second reason is reducing risk. Giga Shanghai is currently Tesla's global export hub. In today's political environment, reducing reliance on a single factory based in China can help make Tesla become more resilient. China's government has shown how the fate of industries can change dramatically in just a few weeks. For investors, Giga Berlin's approval reduces a big executional risk in 2022. Many people had doubts about Tesla's ability to get the factory open, and the factory faced many delays from its planned original start date of mid-2021. Now that the factory is approved, future expansion to increase capacity from 500,000 to more than 1 million can now be carried out more easily and get approval for. The biggest hurdle has been crossed. The third reason is improving profitability. Most Teslas sold in Europe today are imported from Giga Shanghai. They incur shipping fees and a 10% customs duty. With manufacturing from Giga Berlin, Tesla gets to save 10% of costs. With the average selling price of $50,000 per car, that means that Tesla will make an additional $5,000 in profits for every car sold in Europe. Tesla already has the highest operating margin in the industry. A local factory in a region with the highest EV adoption helps it even more. In addition, Giga Berlin is only producing the Model Y right now. The Model Y has an average selling price that is 10% higher than the Model 3 and generates higher margins because of the structural battery pack and use of rear and front casting technology. Giga Berlin will start production with the older 2170 battery cells and transition to the more efficient and scalable 4680 battery cells by 2023. This will improve margins even more. For investors, higher margins means higher earnings per share. Today, Toyota and Volkswagen need to sell 5 times the number of cars that Tesla sells in order to match Tesla's net profits. Giga Berlin's opening is a major catalyst for Tesla's stock growth in 2022 because it will help Tesla fulfill demand, reduce risks, and increase profits. Tesla stock grew 3 times in the 6 months after Giga Shanghai opened in December 2019. For context, Tesla stock is now down 30% year to date. Some see this as a buying opportunity. It doesn't end here. Giga Texas is even bigger than Giga Berlin and will be opening soon. In fact, there's enough land space for Giga Texas to expand up to 9 times. I look forward to seeing it with my own eyes a month from now at the opening party. If you found this video useful, please click the like button. Hit subscribe to stay updated to more videos on Tesla. Take care and have a good weekend.